Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create shine um, scanning, shine scanning video effect to your clip in CapCut PC. So it's very simple. You are just going to add one effect. So for instance, I'm just going to add these images to the track and select effect. Select light effect and you can find it blood scanning. This is pro effect. You have to join pro first to be able to use this effect. You are just going to add to the track and make it shorter according to duration of one clip, and you are just going to copy paste the effect. So that's before until the end of the clip. Right. So you can see for the final result. Right. And you can also adjust for atmosphere, light, color, and etc. for the effect. So this is cool effect you have to use. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm so sorry for the noises from my video.